How to sign out of your Google account on all devices. In this video, I'll show you how to sign out of your Google account on all devices for better account security. Start by opening your Google app and tap your profile icon. Now, select Manage Your Google Account. Tap or click on the Security tab. Scroll down until you find the Your Devices section and select Manage All Devices. Here, you'll see all the devices where your Google account is currently signed in or has been active recently. Unfortunately, Google doesn't provide a single button to sign out from every device at once. You'll need to sign out of each device individually. Simply select a device, click or tap Sign Out, and confirm your choice. Repeat the same steps for any other devices you no longer want to have access to your Google account. If you suspect unauthorized access, it's also a good idea to change your Google account password after signing out of unfamiliar devices. That's it. You've successfully learned how to sign out of your Google account on all devices. If you find this video informative, click on like, share, and subscribe for more videos.